Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, mic testing. Mic working. Yes, it is. अच्छा जी, आज हम बैक टेस्टिंग कर रहे हैं. मैं Nasdaq first day of Nasdaq and of January. It's 27th of January. I'm not starting with the start of the year, but at the end of the first month, and as we are right now. So first, I'm gonna let this trade uh, move, and then I'm going to explain the reason behind it. It's Monday today. It's the last week of the month. Not there is no news today. I'm not expecting much, and I'm not expecting. But what I mean by not expecting much, that there's a chance uh, that we don't move well today. Okay, but it's a good trade. This is the first presented fair value gap 5 minutes. Okay, and this is the second presented fair value gap 1 minute, and this is first presented fair value gap of 1 minute. I'm trading this 5 minute first presented fair value gap plus this. We took the recent high, we break the structure, we stay we stayed this, we let this gap open, and we went into the 50% of the 1 hour range. We made an SMT, and we are at least I'm expecting price to take these lows. Okay, so the higher time frame period is PDR is, I will explain after this trade. Okay, I think I explained almost 60% of the reason behind this trade. So we didn't took any recent low, so I'm gonna let this trade move. Now we take these lows, these highs, smooth highs, and I'm going to move the stop loss to the break even. Okay, uh, it's logical, and it makes sense. Does it? Yes, it makes sense. So I'm going to move the stop loss to the breaking. I'm a little strict, I'm a little alert because it's Monday. Although it's a very good move, if it was after the news, I would be very confident with this trade. I have to be a little more careful. I have to be have to a bit have to learn a bit about this market. I'm new to this market, but I know it's much smoother and much nicer than other market. We took the recent low, we went above. Oh wait, let me make it aside. I'm explaining it by second, not by second, but after a few seconds. So we went lower, we didn't take this low, we went higher, we took these smooth highs as you can see, and we took this low. Okay, this is also a reason to make the stop loss to the break-in. And there is an FEG, which is the last. This FEG, I don't know what to call it, but it is. It should be respected. It's a powerful FEG. Okay, and we hit the TP. Beautiful price action. I like how it moved. It was smooth, it was quick, and so let's just dive into the day. It's Nasdaq, and on the other side it's ES, the correlated pairs both. I don't know what to I don't know that right word is the correlated, but they are yes, they are correlated to each other. They are symmetrical to each other. So on monthly chart, let's just see. On the monthly chart, there is an SMT. It's the last week of the month. As you can see, ES took the previous month high, but Nasdaq has not. And on the weekly, I highlighted these PD arrays. You can see we went into the 50 C of the weekly week, this highest week in among these. We touched no, I think we did not, which was even a weaker sign. And after that, we are right now, I highlighted this. We touched the C of the lower half, and we went above. This is up. We looked at this IFEG, and after that, I don't know. It's 4 hour or what? I think it's 4 hours. Is it? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it's a 4 hour too. It was a, I highlighted it as a 1 hour, but it's also a 4 hour S&P, which is the S&P, and as you can see, it was in 50% of this range. So we were in premium and premium, and one more thing I did not highlighted, which was this first presented fair value gap of 15 minute. Okay, uh, let's see how price respect this this gap. So this was the, just a bit aside, this was the first presented fair value gap of 5 minutes, which was very good first presented. Why it was, let me explain. This was a break in market structure. The fair value gap formed after the break in market structure is a powerful fair value gap. Okay, i'm explain I'm giving real sources here. So we went above, and I already explained this logic, and highlight 5 minute was okay. And yeah, let's see the price action after it. This was the second presented fair value gap with the break in market structure. That's why I highlighted it. It's a powerful FAG, it's a powerful gap. First 1 minute second presented fair value gap. I call it second presented fair value gap. It's not uh, by Michael. I'm just making my own words to make myself understand, which I haven't learned, haven't listened, didn't have not known till now, hasn't known. I don't know what present, past tense, future tense are not that good. I have to work on it a bit more. This is the first presented fair value gap. I don't know why I'm explaining like I have a audience of like at least 10,000, or I have like some students, but I think it's nice that I'm treating it as a profession. I'm treating it like I'm a professional trader, which I am, but like I'm treating is more like a content creator, more like a teacher, more like a although I'm to learn from myself, uh, and to talk about what I have learned and what I know. Okay, so let's see the price action after it. So I'm not interested. It can, I don't think so. Will, I don't know. It's Nasdaq. It can go to take this loose. Any market can, but I'm not interested anymore. So we went into the first presented fair value is the CEO of this. Let's highlight it. Yes, okay. We went above. We okay. See, break the smooth highs. We went into the okay. Now it's more likely to, I don't know. I'm not going to say anything. I'm not interested anymore. I'm not trading for every paper. So yes, okay. Now we are likely to go. I think that's it. Yeah, I think it's, so I'll be back after highlighting all the video rays. Okay, and I will explain a bit. I'm not going to explain, but I will give a little overview of the market with the screenshot with the highlight. I may, because I already explained all these video rays on all these. So okay, I'll be back in a minute.